Hello everyone, how y'all doing? Welcome back to the Icky-verse. It is good to have you back, see all of your smiling faces, and it is good to be back. And to commemorate my return, I would like to have a giveaway. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This, my friends, is the Drone Pilot Challenge coin. Very beautiful, very cool, solid metal, badass. I've got 10 of these bad boys for you. So what I want you to do is submit a video clip. It doesn't matter if it has music. It doesn't matter if it's 30 seconds long or a minute and 30 seconds long. It has to have the theme of never disarm. So if I choose your video, you're gonna win one of these coins here. Out of the 10 of you, we're gonna have a drawing. The winner of that drawing is going to win a brand new Hyperlow RS frame, modular with the X configuration or the H. Beautiful, amazing woven carbon. If you haven't seen some of the pictures I posted online, check those out. And then I will be releasing an official video for this as well soon. To go with this frame, a set of brand new Hype Train 2207-2450 Acro motors. Yes. And also, because you can't fly without props, and Gym Fan and my boys, you're gonna get some Gym Fan props as well. So, what's that mean for you guys? Go out, grab your drones, your mini quads, whatever you want to call these bad boys, and go fly. Have some fun. Find some footage. Send me that stuff. You're gonna send it to I gotta make a new email address. Let's do neverdisarm@gmail.com. If that don't work, I'm gonna be in some trouble. I'm gonna go fly because the weather down here in Southwest Louisiana is magical compared to pretty much all you poor suckers out there, so I'm sorry. But we're gonna go do that. I gotta do some filming for some companies. I got some batteries we gotta check out. Yes, the Fully Max. They are, dude, I'm telling you, I flew them the other day. Wow. And the build quality, the construction quality of these bad boys, y'all don't know yet. Y'all don't know yet, but you will. So that, and we gotta get some other stuff going on. I would like to thank Impulse RC for sending me this mofo right here, the 3-inch Alien. It is just like, every time I hold it, it brings me joy. When I look at it, like I look at the bottom of it, it's so cute. It's got its little, it's a little alien, man. It's what fly the big one, and they got the small one. They sent me the F-22's 3200 kV Impulse RC motors by T-Motor. Awesome. Yes, guys, thank you so much. And I've got many more people to thank as well, but I can't get into all of it now. Just know I'm back, and I'm gonna try my damnedest to be around for you guys. So if you want to stick around for a little bit, let's go hang out. Let's go fly. Okay, so I got the footage into Premiere, and the GoPro just, I guess, shit out on me the other day because it stops recording after about a few seconds, about 10 seconds worth of footage. Can't use any of that from today. I have a few crashes from the other day when it was working, so I guess you can watch that for a second, and then I got something to tell you right after this. I am a bit rusty, to say the least. Oh, I forgot. I also have this ridiculous amount of battery straps to go along with the Hyperlow freestyle frame and the motors, the Hype Train Acro motors, and the Gym Fan props. So submit those clips whenever you feel like is necessary, as soon as you can. I don't really have a deadline. Let's give it a couple weeks, shall we? We're trying to figure out a little scheduling deal. I even have like a little thing on my door like a little weekly planner. I write out what I'm gonna do. You know, Monday family time. You know, Tuesday work, and then trying to figure out, you know, when I'm gonna start writing out some of these episodes and stuff like that. And I'm also planning on having certain themed content on certain days. So yeah, I mean, you know, Miniquad stuff on Miniquad Mondays. Oh wow, I just made that up. That was awesome. See how that works? And so yeah, like filming Fridays. What? Dude, I am on a roll. Okay, Miniquad Mondays and filming Fridays is a thing. Now it's written in stone now, so I have to do it. Or like, yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for hanging out. I'm kind of liking this little perspective too. This is my desk. Usually I have like a stressful situation trying to get everything set up over here. That's my light. Lighting is always ridiculously close to the subject, if you guys don't know. So I'm like, hey guys, how you doing? And I'm like trying to act all natural when I have this standing right next to my face. So usually the camera's down here pointing towards the backdrop. And I'm always just stressed out about like, how blurred out is the background? Where am I sitting? I've got my fill lighting here. You want to see the fill light go away? Watch this. Oh, this is some foam board from Walmart. No fill light. Fill light. So a little bit of extra stuff here. You're gonna see more of that on Filming Fridays. So stick around. I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.
Uh-oh. You throw
it? She's keeping it. Hey, that poor boy. He wants his ball back.
Jake says, please throw it. Oh, you gave him a kiss instead. Hi. Hi, Jake. All right.
Wow. She's crying for it back.
Give it.